So every type of worker goes through some or other imbalance. Okay, let us see what kind of imbalances that they go through. Passionate workaholics. The primary problem is they will spend more than 80% of their time at work and 20 or less than 20% for their lives. Negligent crawlers are exactly opposite of passionate workaholics. They will spend 20 or lesser than that percentage of their time in work. Rest all goes to every other damn thing. Apathetic ritualists, these are the ones who give time because they will come on time, they will leave on time. If you have to come at 9 a.m. to the office, they will be there by 9 a.m. If they can log out by 5 p.m., they will exactly log out by 5 p.m. Even if there is any work pending, has to be done immediately or the same day, they don't care. They just say, boss, I have come at 9, I'm going at 5. I don't care about what is pending, what is urgent. Tomorrow I will do it. Indifferent contributors will also have almost 50-50 because they will come on time again, they will do the job, but uh, the problem is again they are not somebody who will go one step ahead to do something on their own, whatever is assigned to them. But at the same time they may not be as ritualistic as the ritualists, because sometimes there may be here and there. So when we look at the slide, or when we look at the duration of their time spent at work and then at home or with their lives, you can see a kind of balance here that 50 there, 50 here, 50 here, 50 there. So then the question arises. So then whether becoming an apathetic ritualist or indifferent contributor is better than the previous ones like passionate workaholic or negligent crawler? The answer is no. Why? Because even the apathetic ritualists or indifferent contributors will have a difficulty in finding or hitting the work life balance, because they are emotionally not involved in the work itself, and at the same time they may not be involved in their life as well, so they will not have that satisfaction at work at all. So what I also understand is when we talk about work life balance, it's not just about uh, the duration or the time, but about how do you balance the emotional aspects, the satisfaction that you get out of the work. Now, the question again for you is what kind of a worker you are based on the above classification, that is, passionate workaholic, a negligent crawler, an apathetic, ritualistic, or indifferent contributor. Answer for yourself, no need to answer publicly, because I understand your privacy. I understand that this question is primarily for you to analyze yourselves, what kind of worker you are. I'm just going back to the previous slides. One is passionate workaholic, the second is negligent crawler, the third one is apathetic ritualist, and the fourth is indifferent contributor.